Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the ship to a stable state, land and silence sentinels so you can work safely. Once down, open the inventory and run a quick diagnostic of damaged modules: power distributor, pulse drive, launcher, shields. You must know what's missing versus merely low on charge. Make a short list of broken parts and available resources. This lets you prioritize repairs that restore flight and essential systems first, rather than swapping modules blindly and wasting materials. Now you tackle the complex middle steps: swap or rebuild core modules. You should install identical or higher-tier replacements to avoid compatibility penalties and power mismatches. Craft missing components using salvage kits, nanotubes, chromatic metal, and required alloys at the inventory craft window. Once modules are installed, recalibrate slot positions so power-hungry tech pairs with distributors that can handle the draw. Also redistribute auxiliary systems to lower slots to stabilize ship capacity. Doing so prevents sudden power failures mid-flight. Finish by performing a methodical systems check. Take off, test pulse drive, and fire the primary weapon to verify power and cooling under load. Observe heat buildup, energy depletion, and handling quirks. Make incremental fixes like adding coolant or shield boosters and then retest. Once stable, dock and save to preserve the repair. If problems persist, undo the last swaps or restore a recent save. This rollback often isolates corrupt or incompatible modules that cause repeating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.